Oh my god, look who it is. How you been? I feel like I haven't spoken to you, seen you in so freaking long. Catch me up. Dime. Bitch, I know you lying. I know she did not say that. She's giving me the vibes like she just wants to be you. Don't tell her too many things. Don't tell her about your plans. She sounds very toxic. I will keep my distance. But yeah, I'm just getting ready right now. I'm just getting ready to film TikToks, girl. Like, I feel like I have abandoned that app so much. Like, all I do is just scroll on that and then having to film a whole YouTube video and then film a TikTok after. Oh, if now you gotta film a TikTok at the same time you're doing YouTube, like, girl, it's too much. It's too much. Other than this, today I just been working. We've been so understaffed. Today's my second day off. Hallelujah. I go back tomorrow. What the you ever use this Supergoop glow stick, the SPF? How the do you like this? But yeah, girl, oh my god, this feel good. Why you ain't tell me this was? But yeah, girl, yo, these past 2 days that I worked, I only worked 2 days, my back is my whole body hurts. Like, I'm so freaking achy right now. This is usually how I feel on day 4. Why am I feeling like this on day 2? That's when I realized I'm really the only one in this store helping everybody. Like, I'm doing this by myself. There's probably one more employee there to help me out, but it's like, bitch, I was tired. I am exhausted. Like, this is way too much work. You going through the same thing? Girl, I just don't understand. I don't know why everybody's just so understaffed. Like, I don't get it. It's like, we need to... Girl, I'm telling you, when I go viral, I'm taking you with me. And we not going to work anymore. We're gonna be bad bitches living in lofts. Because I can't. Like, I can't keep doing... I tell you this all the time. I can't keep working for the man. I can't keep doing this for the rest of my life. I refuse. But girl, let me tell you. Oh my god. Last weekend... Bitch, I didn't even tell you. Yo, last weekend, I got f***ed up. And I wasn't even planning on getting up. I went to you know the girls. I went to brunch. It was a cute ass vibe. It was an indoor rooftop, super cute. The mimosa, the sangria, it's not really hitting. Like, I'm drinking that like water and it's not doing anything to me. They took too long to bring out the hookah, so we just ended up dipping, going to another spot. I ordered another drink. I ordered a coconut margarita. We had hookah. We probably had like 2 hookahs. After a while, I'm like, I need to go outside. I need some air. I feel hot. I feel like I'm getting a headache. I go outside. I'm like, I feel a little bit better, but I got this banging ass headache. I'm just like, yo, I gotta go right now because if I wait any longer, I'm gonna throw up. So I called the Uber or whatever. Thank God, bitch, I didn't throw up in the Uber. Oh my god. So I get in the Uber, the windows down a little bit, so I'm getting like some air and shit, and I'm good, but I'm f***ed up. I wasn't f***ed up anywhere. Like, when I was with the girls, I wasn't f***ed up. Like, I was good. When I knew that it was my time to go, like when my headache was just getting bigger, I'm like, okay, like, we gotta go. I got home, I laid down. Then, don't mind me, girl, I'm trying this thing with the Aquifer, saying that you put Aquifer in the inner and outer corner of your eyes, and that shit helps you stop tearing and it won't f up your makeup. So yeah, I get home, I lay down, my boyfriend's helping me take off all my clothes. He had like this banging ass chicharron. I'm over here thinking, oh, when I get home, I'm gonna eat this chicharron, I'm gonna knock out. Bitch, he went to go get me a Gatorade. When he came back, I was already in the bathroom, squatted down on the toilet, and he's like, oh I'm like, yeah, let me get the Gatorade. I start drinking that shit. I'm chugging it. I threw up all my food. Went to bed all night. It felt like I had a fucking fever. It felt like I had the flu. Hot, cold. I'm like, oh my god, I'm about to pass out in this room. I get hot one more time. I get up and I'm throwing up at like 2 in the morning. Yeah, I'm never drinking again. I know I always say that, girl, but it's like, I feel like now when it comes to just hard liquor, bitch, I just can't do it. Like, the mimosas, valid. Sangria, valid. As soon as I ordered a coconut margarita, it was a wrap. This is how I know I haven't spoken to you in a little bit, because we always talking about the tea. What the is going on with the girls? Nicki, Megan, Latto, Icespice. So my friend, he's a barbs, right? He sends me a bar that Nicki wrote from the song, but the song didn't come out yet. She was just tweeting all of them. I'm like, wait, who the said this shit? When it comes to Nicki and all the drama and all this shit, he's on top of it. Like, he knows. Shout out to you, Jay. Before he texts me that, I woke up in the morning and I go on YouTube and I see that Meg, she comes out with a song and it's called Hiss. This is like a part 2 to her song Cobra. The Nicki diss, that shit flew over my head. I'm not gonna lie. When I heard the song, I was like, oh, okay. I wasn't like, I ain't really like, oh, this shit fire. I with Cobra a lot. Like, mind you, before all of this, I did not know that Nicki and Meg had beef. I didn't know. Yeah, bitch, I guess I'm the last bitch on earth to find out. Like, I didn't know. Yeah, supposedly it was because when they were doing the hot girl video, Meg was trying to peer pressure her to drink or whatever, but Nicki was telling her like, no, I'm trying to get pregnant. Then she want to make a joke and say, oh, we could take care of it and go to the clinic. That's not funny. What you think? And in that type of environment, because I think they were in the music video and stuff, so it was like a lit environment. I feel like Meg was just trying to be funny and she probably didn't think that Nicki was being serious. I was talking to my man about it and he's just like, but you don't think that could have been handled right then and there? Like, why did she have to stop talking to her because of that? Why couldn't she just press her right then and there and be like, bitch, no, I'm dead ass. Like, I'm dead trying to have a baby. Can't drink right now. Like, respect that. When shit like that happens to me, girl, you know I'm the type that I don't like confrontation. Like, I can't do it right then and there because it's like when I hear shit like that being told to me, I become flabbergasted. It's like whose side are you on? I just don't understand why people are getting so mad for her saying that. Lie on your dead mama, lie on your dead mama, lie on I wasn't really aware of the tweets because I don't have it, right? I don't understand. Okay, she mentioned her dead mom. I get it. Okay, why the is everybody mad at Nicki when Nicki says it? You feel me? Everybody was on Party's when he came out with that diss track. You know, before I even knew that they had beef, I with the song Cobra because there were some lines in there that I related to. She was so depressed with what she was going through, like she will cancel her plans, and it's like, yo, how much more of this shit can I take? But like, you know, girl, you know last year was, I felt that. So it's like when Party came out with that song, I kind of side-eyed it because I'm like, ew, why you being such a sour boyfriend? At one point I felt bad for her. I'm not a fan. Like, I like some of her songs here and there. When I heard the Party diss track, I'm like, let me go to her page. Every picture I clicked on this girl, you know, when you click on her comments, it's just nothing but negative ass shit. It's like, you put an innocent man to jail, you bullet fragment bitch, you when it comes to Meg and Nicki, it's like Party could say all that shit, but nobody's coming at Party, oh, he killed that shit, she a lying ass bitch, she lying on Party, she lying on this, lying on that, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, but it's like when Nicki say it, why the is it a problem? I'm not gonna lie. You feel like she overreacted? You feel like Nicki could have handled that a little bit better? I look at it as people was telling her to shut the up, that she's like ruining her career, but I just feel like she's at the point that she just don't give a fuck anymore. This is how I got like out of touch with celebrity drama. I was just a person that listened to music and moved on. When all this shit arose, everything was just coming out when it came to Nicki. Like, the industry is always trying to her over. You saw the shit with the Grammys? That shit was up. How the you nominate someone by accident? That shit makes no sense. You're making me want to roll right now because what are you doing? Like, I'm talking to you and you're looking down and I know what you're doing. Like, I see your movements. You're looking down. Like, what are you doing? Let me go roll, bitch. Hold on, let me roll. Oh, look how glowy it is. And then with Miss Latto and Icespice. You're not even the fart. Oh my god, for what was that? And I love how Latto is just like, I ain't mention nobody, I ain't talking about nobody. It's like, come on girl, you know. Oh shit, hold on, my man is calling me. Whew. Okay, I'm back. I feel like everybody is just on the same type of time this year. Girl, because have you looked at the hottest music of today on Apple? That shit is trash. You know, these artists, they're not really getting like a huge commotion, so they just wanna, doing shit for clout. Did you see Drake's Binga? I went to the group chat. I'm like, so somebody exposed Drake? Why the they had the video? They found that. I'm like, I do not have Twitter. I can't find that. They found that shit in 2 minutes. My man was in the bathroom and I go to click it. I barely see it because it's blurry and I'm scared as that he's gonna come out of the bathroom. So I click off of it, and then when I go back to finish watching it, the disappears. I'm like, okay. They saying he exposed himself. The girl Bobby that be doing the podcast, they saying that her husband leaked it. They saying, oh, they got a divorce because of Drake. The shit with Nicki, I feel like it's a little bit different. Later on, I saw that Drake was performing and he mentioned his video. He was saying, oh, I know y'all saw my ooh nah nah nah, and he started playing the song. Like, come on. Oh my god. Oh, I thought my brush caught on fire. I'm gonna say this right here. I feel like that is her soft spot when it comes to her family, when it comes to her man. There'll be times that people would say it, but she wouldn't retaliate. She'll stay quiet. But the fact that she really has beef with Meg and she said that, it really struck a nerve. It is hard to believe Meg at this point because Party says she's a liar. Nicki says she's a liar. And then she was lying on the Gayle show. Everybody knew, allegedly, that her and Tory was smashing. I ain't know about the baby. Whatever. I feel like people just added that shit. Everybody knew that her and Tory was around, and that's what struck a nerve when it came to Nicki, because she's grieving, she's going through something, I'm grieving, and it's like, I will never lie on my loved one. People want to go and say, I saw a girl talking about, oh, sometimes I'd be lying on their grandma. You probably wasn't even close with your grandma. You're gonna lie about, like, you're gonna lie on your mother, your dead mama, on your dead mama. Nah, that's not cool. Honestly, I feel like shit with Icespice, she sounds a little scared. Like the way she was saying, oh, she's talking about me, and it's like, maybe she is talking about you. But remember, she did say that sprinters be having random videos and she ain't give a the way she went about it though, it just sounded like she didn't want no smoke. And the fact that Latto went to her block, she went to her store, she bought bagwoods, oh my god, at her store. Come on, that's some real beef. Like, you want to talk on me on your song, I'm gonna go to your block and I'm gonna go to your store and I'm gonna shoot a video on your block. Like, out of here. Like with Latto, like when she did that thing where it's like the pictures of all the female artists, she like blocked their eyes. What does that mean? But girl, I'm about to do these TikToks right now. I'm just gonna do like a makeup therapy video. Like, I'm just gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna do finally bitch, I'm gonna do the review for the Summer Fridays lip oils. I bought them when they dropped, thinking that I was gonna, you know, film and do it like super soon when it dropped, but I had them for mad long. But I'm gonna do the video today. What you gonna do today? I'm gonna cause I need my phone, cause if not bitch, I would have been doing the TikTok right here with you, but I need my phone to do it. So I'm gonna do this TikTok really quick. If you're not doing anything, I'm gonna call you back. But if not, girl, I'm gonna talk to you later. So it was nice talking to you. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.